So, hello everyone, I am Girish. I have 6 years working experience in the construction industry. So I chose to attend this PMP course because I think that project management is what we do every day without knowing that somehow we are applying the principles of it. So by enrolling in the course, I got to learn about various principles and what the PMP exam is all about. I think that the facilities provided here by ProThoughts were awesome, and that the trainer delivered clear lectures about the course and how to eventually prepare for the exams. So to end, I am very much eager and excited to go for the certification and give a boost to my career eventually. Thank you.